Most people focused on the finished product. That is a bad idea. That is a very bad idea. You see somebody succeeding and you just want to be where they are already. You want the finished product. Success leaves clues. Success is having principles that are attached to it. If you are wise, go for the principles. Ask for the principles. Learn the principles. When you are done learning, you apply the principles. Because principles don't look at skin color. Principles don't look at the continent you were born on. Principles don't care how tall, how short, how big, how small, how old you are. Principles that work are universal principles. That's why those that apply principles in their lives will reap the benefits and the rewards that come with those principles. What principles are you living your life by? Stop focusing on what is trending. Stop focusing on what is popular. Focus on the principles. There are lots of timeless principles that govern every aspect of our lives. In the area of finance, in the area of relationships, in the area of education, in the area of business, you name it. Each area has timeless principles. If you don't know where to start, I can recommend that you start with the Bible. Read it. There are lots of principles in there that will change your life. For example, I'm here taking care of my corn and peanuts because you reap what you sow. You reap what you sow. I planted corn. I expect that a few months from today, I'm going to harvest some corn here. I planted these peanuts a few months ago, and very soon I'm going to come pick peanuts. It's just like that. As simple as this seems, it's a very powerful principle. You can apply it to every area of your life, and you will have amazing results. Thank you for watching. Share this video. Stay tuned for more updates, and God bless you.